Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, market is open, and as you can see, then market open a little gap up and there is not much movement in the market. Market is behaving like a typical one-day market. But due to the ongoing events on Russia, we were expecting a volatile market opening because the Wagner Group was approaching Moscow to overthrow the rule of President Vladimir Putin. But due to the intervention of the Belarus President Alexander Lukashenko, things have taken a different turn. Right now, there is no overthrowing of power and all. Okay, the Wagner Group is retreating, as a result of which things are heading towards normalcy. As a result, instead of a very volatile market, we saw a silent market opening. So overall, the levels that we discussed on Saturday are still very much valid. Right now, market or gold is standing at 1926 here. This is the current market price. So the most important resistance on the chart of gold for today and tomorrow are still the same. That is 1937 to 1940. And then we have resistance around 1945 to 1947. My dear friends, if you are looking for detailed analysis, please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and for you again. So 1937, 1940 will be the first resistance, and in this market situation we can definitely expect sellers to be present around this area, and once we see some sort of price rejection we can go for a sell position. In case market shows or surprises us with some volatility and breaks the level here, then obviously if you see that a green candle at 1937.40, obviously you should use common sense and avoid any sell. Then wait for the market to hit 1946-47 level. Once you'll see the market is reversing from 1946-47, you can look for a sell position. If we look at the chart prime, we can see the chart prime generated a buy signal in the morning, and more or less the signal did pretty well. We can see the signal was generated around 1925-26 level, and it went till the next dynamic resistance of 1928. So in this market also, chart prime managed to grab 20 pips, and these lines are the dynamic support resistances. Okay, so we will be talking about chart prime and the strategy that you can be using at the later part of the video. So these are the only two reliable levels where we can look for sell opportunities during the day. If market reverses, then only look for a sell position. And on the other hand, the support level or the buyers, okay, the position of buyers is little bit critical. As I mentioned earlier, that if market hits 1916 level, observe the volatility of the market, and if the market remains like this, if you see that market is forming small candles but market has come to 1960 level, do not go for the sell position I talked on Saturday, because for a breakout or breakdown, volume is extremely important, and right now market does not have the volume to break any level. Okay, so during the US session, okay, if volatility arrives, if volume comes, and if you see the market is crossing 1916 level, then as I said earlier, 1916 you can go for a sell for a target of 1930 to 1912, not more than that. Okay, and as of now 1910 is the only support level. In this type of market condition, usually the previous low do not work as support, but the volatility here is low, so we are expecting the 1910 may also act as support. Remember, I took you to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we saw how beautifully market is respecting the Fibo here, and market bounced from the Fibo of 1910. Yes, 1910 is the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement level. So if market breaks 1910 level by the US session or by tomorrow, then swing traders, you can look for a sell position, because we can see that there is no immediate support after 1910. 1900 is there as psychological support, but technically we don't have any immediate support on the chart of gold, and market will be heading towards the next level of 1863 to 1864. So let's wait and watch what market does. In this market condition, it is better to wait and watch, because as a trader you don't need to trade on each and every level. We are traders, not gamblers. So wait for the right time, wait for the right opportunity. As I always say, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, and in this present level, okay, I don't see any trading opportunity right now. If I take you to the 15-minute chart also, you can see that hardly we have anything. Okay, if market reverses for 1928-29 level, then you can look for a sell. But will that be a good trade? Obviously no. So wait for the right time and right opportunity. Okay, that's all from my side. Be careful, and let's look at the chart prime now. Those who have no idea about chart prime is a custom indicator rocking the trading world, trading community right now. Chart prime not only generates buy and sell signals, but they also have three awesome indicators: Market Oracle Pro, Prime Oscillator Pro, and Market Dynamics Pro. Right now you can only see Market Oracle Pro and Prime Oscillator Pro, because Dynamics Pro mostly deals with chart pattern detection and also tells you about the smart money concept. It deals with smart money concept. Okay. So Market Oracle Pro, okay, not only gives you the buy and sell signals on the chart, but it also tells you the dynamic support and resistances. The maroon color lines, which are not very beautiful, okay, those are the dynamic support resistances. And the Prime Oscillator Pro is a very powerful tool. It not only tells you about the overbought and oversold levels in the market, but you can see that it also generates buy and sell signals. So the green line, okay, the green line, not the green line, okay, the green arrow marks that you can go for a buy. OS means oversold. This is the symbol of oversold. Here you can see sale was generated. Okay. So this is how you can use chart prime Oscillator Pro. Apart from buy and sell signals, the divergences are also very, very powerful. So whether you're looking for signals or you just want to elevate your analysis, you can definitely check out chart prime. You can see that this is a QR code on the screen. Okay, scan the QR code to check them out. Right now they are giving a 30% off. You can also check out the link in the description. Okay, to elevate your game, definitely check out chart prime.